Hello everyone, I'm gonna read you another story. This one is called Monkey Puzzle. This little monkey has lost his mum. So he's a bit sad in the jungle saying, I've lost my mum. He doesn't know where she is. So he sees a butterfly and the butterfly says, Hush little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her. And the monkey says, well, she's big, bigger than me. So the butterfly thinks, bigger than you? Then I think I've seen your mum. Come with me. She takes him to see this animal and he says, no, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees, and anyway, her tail coils round trees. So the butterfly thinks, she coils round trees. Then she's very near. Quick little monkey, she's over here. Do you think that's his mum? Don't think so. No, that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum has got more legs. Says the butterfly. It's legs what we're looking for? I know where she is then. Come this way. So they leave. And she takes him to see this animal. Do you think that's his mum? We'll see. No. That's a spider. My mum isn't black and hairy or fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees, said the butterfly. You should have said. Your mommy is hiding above your head. And the monkey says, no, that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. Says the butterfly, I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. We'll see. And the poor monkey says, no, that's a frog. Butterfly, please don't choke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. So the butterfly thinks, brown, furry. Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. And the butterfly takes him to this animal. And the poor monkey says again, no, that's a bat. Oh, why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. The butterfly says, your mum's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. So the monkey says, no, 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 that's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. But you never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. So the butterfly takes him to her babies and she says, none of my babies look like me. So she takes him here. And the monkey says, no, 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 that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mom. I hope you liked it.